Afghanistan. Political solution is the only way forward. We are gratified that our perspective is now widely shared across the international community. The Afghan leaders must now seize this historic opportunity and work for an inclusive, broad-based and comprehensive political settlement. Successful culmination of intra-Afghan negotiations remains indispensable for peace, stability and prosperity in the region and beyond. Pakistan fully facilitated the process that culminated in the US-Taliban peace agreement in Doha on the 29th of February 2020. We feel gratified that we have fulfilled our part of the responsibility. We hope all stakeholders will recognize the responsibility and play their part in ensuring success. Spoilers from within and from without, however, can pose formidable challenges. Constant vigilance will be required to guard against their machinations. Sustainable peace in South Asia would remain a dream if the core dispute of Jammu and Kashmir is not resolved in accordance with the resolutions of the UN Security Council and the wishes of the Kashmiri people. The unprecedented, brutal and inhuman military siege and communications blockade, especially since India's illegal and unilateral actions of 5th of August 2019 has destroyed lives, crippled livelihoods and imperiled the very identity of the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Repression against the Kashmiris and denying them their fundamental right of self-determination as enshrined in the relevant UN Security Council resolutions is against the fundamental principles of SICA. Excellencies, Pakistan has always been at the forefront of all international initiatives for promoting peace, tolerance, intercultural and interfaith harmony and respect both at home and abroad. We are particularly alarmed at the global resurgence of xenophobia, Islamophobia, hatred and acts of violence against minorities. Even as victims of violence belong to diverse religious minorities across the world, there is a disproportionate growth in hate speech and stigmatization of Muslim communities and individuals, including in our neighborhood. Pakistan is committed to promoting peace, stability and development in our region. In this context, connectivity plays an important role. Pakistan fully supports China's Belt and Road Initiative, and we are proud to be a key player in one of the flagship projects. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which besides our own national development is sure to benefit our Central Asian and Eurasian neighbors. In conclusion, I would like to reiterate Pakistan's firm commitment to global and regional peace and stability, and its commitment to the socio-economic welfare of its people through partnerships at the region and sub-regional levels, and cordial relations with all states on the basis of sovereign equality. Pakistan remains ready to play its part for the realization of this vision, which is also the very basis of the founding of this organization. Thank you.